Today, you will learn how to indent a table in Word step by step. By default, when you insert a table, it is aligned with the left margin. Many beginners try to indent it using the paragraph indent tools, but those don't work for tables. One way is to move your mouse to the small table handle in the top left corner of the table, then click and drag it to the right. This moves the entire table, but it can also change the table's position and may not give you an exact indent. The better and more accurate method is to right-click the table handle and choose Table Properties. Make sure you're on the Table tab. Under Alignment, keep Left selected. Then enter the amount you want in the Indent from Left box. For example, type 0.5 to move the table half an inch from the left margin. Then click OK. Your entire table is now neatly indented with precise spacing. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.